Hey guys, so I wanted to make a video to show you how to get your portfolio up and how to do it through FileZilla. You should have already received an email from us explaining a little bit about it, but we just wanted to go over it a little more thoroughly. If you haven't downloaded FileZilla, you should do so now. And then after that, you want to go ahead and open FileZilla. When you open it, it should look like this. Um, in the email that you received from us, you should have the hosting information, which you can just copy and paste, the username, which you can copy and paste, and the password, which you can copy and paste. After that, you want to connect to port 22, and then you can hit Quick Connect. After you do Quick Connect for the first time, I think it should ask you, do you want to save this information? You should absolutely do that just so that you don't have to retype your info every time. After it's saved, moving forward, anytime you want to log in, you can just come in and, click, boom, and it will connect. You'll see I have a status right here for a little bit, and then we have directory listing successful. Cool. So on the right, this is where all of my folders are going to go for my content, like my index.html and all that. That's for my website. iHeartCode.com, that's actually my website. That's my domain name. On the left, this is your users library. So you have your desktop, documents, downloads, this is your computer. So you can access the files this way. I find it easier to navigate if you just have a copy of your portfolio on your desktop. And then, I have it right there, and you can access it that way. So you want to go into your domain name, and then you have 3 folders inside of that. We want to go into web, and then we have 2 other folders. We're going to go into content. After you get into content, you should have something like this. I don't have anything there, but I'm going to put stuff up right now. So like I said, you can navigate 2 ways, through here or through here. I'm going to do it from my desktop. A lot of people make the mistake of dragging their entire portfolio folder in, or just trying to do their entire portfolio folder. In your content folder, it needs to be able to see the index.html file. So what we're going to do is open the portfolio folder, and then we're going to actually drag all of this in individually. So I highlighted these are all of my projects. This is my index.html. I got my, I got everything that I need right there, and I'm going to drag it in. Ta-da. So now it's going to say, you can already see them all uploading. It's going to say transferring for about, I don't know, 2 to 5 minutes max. And then once everything is up, you should have a thing that says successful, and you can then go to your website and view it. Now, if this is your first time putting your portfolio up, putting all of your content up, it might not look perfect at first. You would have to clear your browser cache if that is the case. Like if you go and you're like, well, I want to see how it looks right now, and sometimes it looks a little bit off, that usually means you have to clear your browser cache. The true test to see if it's, if there's a problem with your code or if there's a problem with the server, is to upload it and then check from another device. So like check from your friend's computer or check on your phone. I don't know, whatever you need to do. But yeah, usually sometimes it doesn't look perfect immediately. But that's it. So I hope this helped, and if you have any questions, always reach out to your mentor.